Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Oppo A96 to an Android device. Start by going into Play Store on both of them. Then install free app called Send Anywhere and open it. Over here you need to tap on I accept, confirm, continue and allow. After that, choose Send on Oppo and Receive on an Android. Then select all of those dots and tap on Send. This way you can choose all of your files and transfer them. It will take a long time, so I will go with only one photo, tap on Send and click Got it. Over here on an Android, just no thanks, tap on Close this window, and as you can see now, we have two connection ways. We can scan this QR code by clicking on the scanning icon on an Android, selecting Allow in the pop-ups, in my case while using this app or only this time, and then you need to point your device's camera at the QR code. But we can also just input this key here and connect our smartphones by choosing Receive. Now, after a couple of seconds, as you can see, my picture was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!